Hello, this is Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament from the All India Trinamool Congress. Yesterday, the 23rd of April, was the first phase of voting in West Bengal. 152 seats out of 294 went to the polls in 16 districts. This morning, I've received so many calls from friends, well-wishers from across India asking me, Mahua, is everything all right? And I said, why? He said, no, the BJP is spreading everywhere, all over the media, everything, that they're sweeping Bengal and that the first phase was like fantastic for them. So I said, why would they think that? And they said, oh, because apparently the voting percentage has been abnormally high, upwards of 95% in some places. And this has apparently gone, the BJP says it's because it's gone to their benefit. So I said, all right. The BJP have never been known for their IQ, but let me just break it down. So I thought I'd put this video out. I went in and saw the voting in a few booths. So let's take a random assembly constituency of Onda, which is in the district of Bankura, assembly constituency number 254. Why is the polling percentage higher this time? Because in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, booth number 119 in this AC had a total of 1,012 voters, 1012. And the number of people who actually went and cast their votes was 894. So the polling percentage is 894 divided by 1,012, which is a total of 88%. Okay. Now what has happened? In the first part of the SIR exercise, you had ASDD, which was absent, shifted, dead and duplicate voters who were weeded out. A total of 60 lakh voters were weeded out in Bengal, about an average of 9 to 10% per booth. So in this district of Bankura, there weren't very many logical discrepancy voters, but about 10% per booth were weeded out. So from 1012 total voters in 2024, the total number of voters in this constituency, in this booth, has come down to 894. And the number of people who have gone to cast their votes has become 854. So what does that make the polling percentage? 854 divided by 894 is 95%. So you think, wow, in 2024 it was 88%, now it's 95%. But you can see that the number of people who went to cast their vote is 854 now, and it was 894 in 2024, only 40 voters less. But the number of total votes, the denominator, was 1,012 in 2024 and now it's only 894. So the percentage has gone up because the base, the denominator has gone down. It is simple arithmetic. There's also one thing more at play. In previous elections, we found that there's always a certain percentage of people who don't go out and vote. As a result of the SIR exercise, there has been panic everywhere that there are mass scale deletions. So everybody who's on the voters list has made sure they've gone and voted. So that has led to an increase in voting. There is nothing to assume that these people have voted for the BJP. The third most important is that there are 22 lakh migratory labor in Bengal, and each of them this time have come back to vote. 22 lakh people means times 5 on average per family means 1 crore connected voters. These migratory voters have had to come back, migratory labor, in December to get their enumeration form signed. They've had to come back in January for hearings, or their families have been put through hearings, and now they've had to come back again to vote. So they've come back thrice in 3 months, loss of wages, money spent, time spent, harassment, stress and angst. And I can assure you, a majority of this vote has gone to the Trinamool and not to the BJP, who was at the root cause of this SIR exercise, which has backfired on the BJP. So as a result of this is why, very simply, why the polling percentage is increased. It is not because lakhs of people have crawled out of the woodwork and gone to press on the lotus symbol. That is complete rubbish. Trinamool Congress has done exceedingly well in the first phase, and come the 4th of May, we are going to win, Mamata Banerjee is going to be Chief Minister. The reason the BJP is spreading this, even though they know the truth, is because if they said the truth that they've done badly in the first phase, they won't even get booth agents to sit in the second phase. So that is the truth. We're coming back on the 4th of May. I hope all of you have understood this and that now you can go back and push back aggressively and tell the BJP, stop spreading the rumors that Trinamool is winning. Thank you.